Hey, what up, peeps? Back at you here on a Saturday evening, and coming at you with the new little, let's see, I want to say, challenge giveaway. Contest rules are easy. Just subscribe to my channel, comment and like if you want, and then head on over to Drone Nation. It's an app you can download on your phone, and go ahead and do that. And co-pilot me there, because that's the only way you're going to be able to win this challenge, is actually download this app, Drone Nation, because there's a little section in there called the challenge section, and in there, that's where I'm going to put this challenge at, for the ability to go ahead and win one of these. It's called the Flyby by Newbie Drone. I bought a couple of these last month or the month before, whatever, and they're just sitting around. Figured I'd probably go to get home to one of you guys. Anyways, like I said, just go to Drone Nation, download the app, go to the challenge section, you'll see it, and it's going to be called 1Lipo1Line, and what I need you to do is just do what the title says. Take 1Lipo, try to get one clean line. It doesn't matter if it's 5, 6, 7 inch, or even cinnamon. Actually, we'll do 2 giveaways. One section for 5, 6, 7 inch quads, and then another one if you don't own a 5, 6, 7 inch quad, you can do it with your mini, which is like a Cinewoop, or Cinewoop. Little whoop around the house or whatever. Just give you something that's clean, something fluid, something with flow. Doesn't have to be fresh and to the elite style of some of the other pilots you see out there, like Madrid or whatever. But hey, do your best. And the best thing about this challenge is you won't be judged just by me, you'll be judged by your peers. That's what's good about this app here, Drone Nation. Go to the challenge site, like I said. You can download your video there. And then, like I said, I won't be the only judge, you'll be judged by your peers. Anyways, good luck, and like I said, it's for this frame right here, the Flyby by Newbie Drone. Pretty cool little frame, just never got into picking it up. It's sort of like a, I guess it would be racing style frame, but they say you can use it freestyle as well. And from the videos from another YouTuber that I watch called Pinch2, you can actually check his channel out, and he has the Flyby build video, because he actually put 2 cents into the design or whatever into this frame. Anyways, good luck, and here's a little example of what I want you to do. Let's head on over the fly. Good luck, everyone. Peace out.